Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
All right, just asked by our floor director, Tasha, when is the rain going to end? Sort of a question that everybody wants to know. We'll get to that, but first I want to show you what's been happening across the middle part of the country, as we talked about last night. Developing situation, strong cold front with severe weather potential, and look at the snow up towards the northern plains. I'm going to zoom in a little closer and show you what we've got down around Cincinnati, moving through Indianapolis. Have had some isolated reports of tornadoes out towards Cape Girardeau, and then further south as you get outside of Memphis. Warm air, we're talking temperatures in the 70s out ahead of that. Colder air spilling in behind, and there's a very well-defined cold front that's going to continue to bring damaging wind and hail, the biggest concerns, but still moving fast enough that I don't think if you're traveling over in that way tomorrow, or maybe you have a late flight tonight, you should be okay. But still, it is going to be a little rocky for some of the folks out that way. Now, what we're looking at is things slowly starting to quiet down. We still have that front sliding south. We're sort of the remnants of that behind that are producing some light scattered showers and mainly just some light drizzle. A little bit of light, steady rain for us here across the Southern Valley. The winter weather advisories have expired up across the Cascades as well. Check this out, some interesting statistics from the month of February. So far, we've picked up about 7.5 inches of rain. Now, that's the most rain we've seen in 1 month. Look at this, you got to go all the way back to November of 2012. 1 or more inch of rain. We've had that 3 days already in the month, and only 2 days all month that we have not had any rain. We'll see if we can't double that as we head in towards the weekend forecast. Here's what we're looking at right now. The past conditions, both of them passable for sure, but again, temperatures below freezing, so do expect it to be a little icy out there. If you happen to still have the traction tires or the chains, probably best to put those on heading over the passes. 43 in Bend, 36 in Sun River. It'll be a cool night across Central Oregon tonight. Upper 40s now across the valley, 49 in Roseburg. A little cooler than that as you get out towards Newport there at 46. And overnight tonight, I'm going to keep some mention of isolated early evening showers for us here in the valley. I think we're done down towards Roseburg, Coos Bay as well. We'll just see some breaks in the clouds, which will likely get some of the fog to settle on in. Speaking of settling in, this is what is slowly trying to move towards our direction. Nice ridge of high pressure that'll put a blockade on all these approaching systems. Now, what we need is for this jet stream to move a little further north, and that will eventually push all of those little disturbances off to the east of us. So as we head towards early tomorrow morning, could see, again, a little bit of light drizzle left over. I think it's done by the time we get into lunchtime, and then the waiting game starts. By Saturday, the coast, mountains, I think, have a great shot of looking at plenty of sunshine. In the valleys, may not be until Sunday. So, isolated morning shower, clearing out later on into the afternoon. Temperatures low to mid-50s along the coast. In the Umpqua Basin, same story. We're done with the rain. We'll slowly get the sunshine tomorrow. If we clear Friday night, expect to be socked into the fog Saturday morning, which we probably will be. Snow lines at around 3,500 feet. We'll get a snow shower in the morning across the passes, but that's about it. Mostly sunny skies by the afternoon, and a pleasant day across Central Oregon. And here in the valley, I'm going to go partly sunny. Again, glass half full. Let's do it. Right around 49, 50 degrees, but the fog will be settling after that. Coast, we'll see the temperatures in the upper 50s and a great-looking weekend forecast. Morning fog for us in the Umpqua Basin for both Saturday and Sunday. In the Cascades, it will dry out in some decent weather in terms of getting out to enjoy all that snow. And here in the valley, I think the fog will be what we'll be looking at as opposed to the rain over the next couple of days, and then some heavier showers moving back through Wednesday and Thursday. So just enough time to get everybody a chance to dry out.
All right.